Hi guys, I'm here with another video of Learn Tech with Mr. Tech. And today I brought you a new series of videos. Actually, it is the start of the new series of videos. Hmm. And it is HTML. HTML is kind of a famous coding language, but I can't call it a coding language actually. It is more like a markup language. And HTML allows you to create attractive web pages. Oh, it can be not attractive either. And when we are creating a web page, we have uh, three basic things to consider about its structure, its attractiveness or beauty, and its purpose, and how the purpose is provided to the client. And 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 its structure is made by the HTML, and the beauty is made by the CSS or cascading style sheets, which you will be learning in the next series of my videos, which is a sub series of this starting big series or whatever. And third thing, the how it is working and the purpose, how the purpose is fulfilled for the client, and that is provided by JavaScript. And JavaScript is not same as Java. Keep that in your mind. And if I take an example for a web page, I'm not a web page example, a real world example which is related to a web page, like think you're constructing a house. First, do you apply paint? Mm-mm. First, do you bring the electrical items or some other items that you need to make your daily work easy? Nah. First, you build the structure. First, you build the house with bricks and all. That's what you are doing with to a web page through HTML. And then you are applying paint. That's what you are doing to your web page, making it more attractive or beautiful using CSS and JavaScript, bringing the appliances home to make your work easier. Uh-huh. Now you have got it, I guess. And now, without further talking, let's go to the video. HTML introduction. HTML is the standard markup language for creating web pages. And what is HTML? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. HTML is the standard markup language for creating web pages. HTML describes the structure of a web page, and HTML consists of a series of elements. HTML tells the browser how to display the content. HTML elements label pieces of content such as this is a heading, this is a paragraph, this is a link, etc. And in this series we will, and this is a simple HTML code provided by W3 Schools, which is now I'm referring and you are referring to. This is W3 Schools is one of the world famous and one of the best ways to learn HTML, and there are some other ones such as CSS, JavaScript, SQL, Python, PHP, Bootstrap. It is not a coding language, but it is a CSS library developed by Twitter. Java, jQuery, C++, C Sharp, or React. Native React. And we will be doing first in the next video. I will be doing a uh, simple HTML video, and then step by step we will be going through my videos to then you can become a professional in HTML. I should mention HTML is not a case sensitive language. So if in here we have this doc type. This doc type has block letters for doc type, HTML lowercase letters. Now if we type doc type in lowercase and HTML in uppercase, no issue. Or if you type D uppercase, O lowercase, C uppercase, T lowercase, like that, no issue. No, it is not case sensitive. And now and I will show you a example for a web page that I've created using HTML, JavaScript, CSS, and PHP and database management things, because that goes to behind the server side, and I won't be teaching you those recently, but I will be teaching you those in some time, because this series is a very long series. Now let's go to the example. Now this is in different languages, so don't bother. This is the home page and our properties, and I have inserted a photo, and I have included some brief explanation, and for more details we go there. And this has some freakiness. This photo does not do anything, but when you click on this it comes, because I've created an hyperlink for this word. Okay, now let's and rent or sell properties, and this is just a form I've created, and when you just click it, it's been submitted. It has those PHP and database management things, and facilities, free languages, our stuff, and those things are there about us, blah blah blah. Contact, and this is not coding, this is from Google Maps, blah. And top tip, normally we have to pay for, you get a domain, but when we have this uh, sites like 000 web host, which I've hosted my website, this website that you are referring to or looking to is hosted by 000 web host. I'm not like I'm not like promoting or something like that, but you can host your website if you are not using it like for officially. And there is a funny thing here. Now if I click Pathina Lands over here, this one, it goes to the home page. Tech is tech. Okay, now don't forget to subscribe. Click the bell icon to get notified with my new videos. Let's meet in our next video with a simple HTML coding. And till then, stay safe.